There's Libby,
Lizard,
Lizardo, Liz, sometimes Lizzie. Liz is the typical older sister. She's pretty much just the big sister that you want. She's always there for you. She's easy to talk to. She understands where you're coming from.
she gives me good advice and she's just like my second mom.
She can cook really good. She loves Jada. She's bossy, but in a good way. Katie,
Kitty,
Kathy, Caddy, Kitty Cat.
Katie is really, really funny. She makes me laugh like every day.
Katie's the life of the party. She's the one that has the most fun. She can say one word and we all start cracking up.
She has lots and lots of accents.
Some days she's Russian. She's mostly country. She's an Arabian. Sometimes she talks like in Old English. I don't have an accent.
Mandy,
Randy,
Manda.
Armandia, Mimi.
Mandy is my roommate.
She can talk sports really good. I don't even know what she's saying. She's a real cool guy's girl. She's the type where she has great style. She can do your makeup and your hair, but then she can go hang out with the boys and talk sports.
Me and Mandy are picture buddies. She's the only one that'll take pictures with me when my other sisters don't.
Emily, Mills, Milio, Emil, Nels Bells, Miami, Emmy. Emily is the typical baby sister. She gets her way all the time. She is the baby. She gets spoiled. Everybody takes care of her. And she gets everything she wants. She's sometimes annoying, but she's fun. She's a dancer. Not very good, but it's okay. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.